All right, guys, 2018 Ford Explorer EcoBoost V6. Really nice car. Clean. Anyways, what we got done on it? Factory converter. Factory converter. Ford does a true dual already, and then it they put this cat in there that looks like an X pipe. So it's dual in, dual out cat. Then usually has a resonator there. We cut it out and added another X pipe. So give it that double helix effect. Give it nice, deep, clean tone, you know, as you guys can see right there. Then we also added two Flow FXs by Flowmaster, part number 71416. There'll be a link in the description for them. There'll be a link for the X pipe. This is the X pipe, SXP 3. It's 2 1/4 in, 2 1/4 out, right there. Really nice, clean design. Look at that. The boys outdid themselves as usual. We appreciate the Exhaust Addicts family over here. They really know how to hook everything up. And then we did a rear muffler delete there and there. And he brought his own tips by West Dawn. Here's the part number. It's huge. I'm not going to call it all out, but there'll be a link in the description for the tips also, right there and right there. Let me show you guys out the back. Looks clean. There's the angle cut. Quads. Just gives it a really nice clean touch at the end. So there it is right there in there. Let me show you the old stuff that was on it. There's the two mufflers. There's the resonator that was on it. We took all that off and replaced it. So stay tuned, guys. We're about to let you hear it. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and hit that subscribe. Yeah, it's nothing too low. What do you think? No rest? Glad we added the X5 in.
Yeah, X5 now.
EcoBoost. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. I like this tone on it. Your sound decibels? Right at 87. The stips give it a really nice look. I like them. They're different. EcoBoost. It's a deep tone. I like it. It sounds so good. Here's a side look of the tips. They look good on it. They match the truck perfectly. Let you guys hear on the inside. Perfectly clean tone, nothing crazy. There you go. Let's see if he gives us a nice launch. If he doesn't give us a nice launch, we're gonna have to buy lunch. It's clean, man. I like it.